Hi, in this video, we're gonna learn how to do what is the equation of the normal, and we're gonna get the value of the limits and the value of integration problem. So we're gonna start with first problem here. It said evaluate integration x minus 3 over x dx. All right, simplify this. So we're gonna say integration x over x dx minus integration 3 over x dx. X over x, that's 1. So it will be integration of dx minus 3, 1 over x dx. We move the 3 to outside the integration. Okay, so integration of dx is x. Minus 3, what's the integration of 1 over x? That's the natural log of x plus c. And that's it. That's the answer. All right. Second problem. It said evaluate what is the value of limit x approaches -1 x squared minus 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 1. Okay, so let's factor the numerator and the denominator here. Okay, so we're going to say the limit x approaches -1 x. Okay, so what's the two number? We multiply, get 4, and we add to get -3. So let's try 4 minus 1, 4 and 1. So let's try plus 1 minus 4. Let's confirm this. X plus 1 times x minus 4. The way to confirm it is just basically multiply this. So it will be x squared minus 4x plus x minus 4x. Okay. Minus 4. That would be minus 4. Yeah, so x squared minus 4x plus x, that's 3x minus 4. Okay, so the factor is right. Over, and let's factor the denominator, which is x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay, then let's simplify. So x plus 1 will cancel out with x plus 1. So that will end up with x minus 4 over x minus 1. So now the limit when x approaches -1, x minus 4, x minus 1. Let's substitute for x equal -1. So -1 minus 4 over -1 minus 1. So it will be minus 5 over minus 2, which is going to be equal to 5 over 2. All right. Okay. Let's have another problem. This problem is, what is the equation of the normal to f of x equal 3x minus 5 cosine 2x at x equals 0. Okay, there's some rules we need to learn first. What is the normal is perpendicular to the tangent line. Okay, so that's the first thing. The normal is perpendicular to the tangent line. And the slope of the tangent m is equal 1 over minus 1 over m of the normal. Okay, so that's two rules we just gonna remember for this problem. So the normal is basically perpendicular to the tangent line. So if I have a tangent line, the normal will be the line perpendicular to that. And the slope of the tangent line, m, is equal minus 1 over m for the normal. All right? Okay, let's get to it. So my function is f of x is equal 3x minus 5 cosine 2x. So f of 0, 0 times 0 minus 5 cosine 2 times 0. Okay, so this will be 0 minus 5. That's 0 cosine 0. Okay. So what's cosine 0? Equal 1. So will be equal negative 5. So the point here, when x is 0, y is negative 5. All right, so this is my point. So we need to get the point, and then we'll get the line, then we get the slope, and then we get the line, equation of the line. Okay, so f dash of x so we'll get the derivative of this. So will be equal to 3 minus 5 cosine 2x, that's minus sine 2x, minus sine 2x time the coefficient of x, which is 2. All right? Okay, so let's simplify this. So it will be equal to 3 minus 5. Let's move that 2 here. Times 2 minus sine 2x. So it will be equal 3 minus 10 minus sine 2x. So will be equal 3 plus 10 sine 2x. Okay, so f dash of 0 equal 3 plus 10 sine 0, which will be equal, so sine 0 is equal to 0. So this will be equal to 3, which is going to be equal to my slope, because that's the derivative of the equation at 0. My slope at this 0. So we have the point and we have the slope, right? So let's write this down. So we have, and that's my equation. Okay. And we have the point is 0, negative 5, and the slope m is equal 3. Okay? Okay, now, what is the equation of the tangent line? So we have first to get the equation of the tangent line, and then we're gonna substitute for this. We're gonna change the slope from the tangent slope to the normal slope. Okay, so the equation of the tangent line, y minus y0 is equal to the slope x minus x0. Okay, which is gonna be equal, so y minus y0, which is minus 5, equal 3. That's my slope. X minus x0 is 0. So it will be y plus 5 equal 3x. So that will be y equal 3x minus 5. And that's the equation of the tangent line. Okay? So now let's go back to what is the slope of the normal? Equal -1 over m. So we have the slope here is 3. So m normal -1 over 3. So let's go back and substitute in this equation. So y will be equal -1 over 3x minus 5. And that's going to be, go back here, the equation of the normal to, that's going to be the equation of the normal to my equation, which fx equal 3x minus 5 cosine 2x. All right, here you have it. That's the equation. So please, if you like that video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you in another video.